Hi అండి, నేను మీ ప్రియాంక. వెల్కమ్ టు లెర్నింగ్ లెన్స్ ఛానల్. Today we will discuss level 2 problems in coordinate geometry. So what is the question? If p plus 1 comma 1, 2p plus 1 comma 3 and 2p plus 2 comma 2p are the vertices of a triangle, then what we need to find the value of p at 0. Okay, first write down the points p plus 1 comma 1, b of p plus 1 comma 3 plus 2 comma 2p or the vertices of the triangle. So what is the area of triangle formula? Area of triangle is 1 by 2 mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, let us assume the values x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, 1 by 2 mod of what is the x1 value? P plus 1. What is y2 value? 3. What is y3 value? 2p. Plus what is x2 value? 2p plus 1. What is y3 value? 2p. So I am taking the values from these three only. Okay, 2p minus y1. What is y1? 1. Plus what is x3 value? 2p plus 2. What is y1 value? 1. y2 value is 3. Okay. So 1 by 2 mod of p plus 1 into 3 minus 2p plus 2p plus 1, 2p minus 1. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. That is equal to nothing but a square minus b square. Is it in this form? 2p plus 1 into 2p minus 1? Yes. 2. That is 4p square minus 1. Okay. So directly we can write it as 4p square minus 1 plus 2. Again we are multiplying like this 2p here to here, here to here. Okay, 4p square minus 1 plus 2p plus 2 into 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 by 2 into, so multiply this term with this and again with this. Again one term with this and again with this. P into 3, 3p minus 2p square plus 1 into 3 is 3 minus 2p plus 4p square minus 1 plus 2p plus 2. So we are multiplying this term with minus 2. Plus into minus is nothing but minus. Minus 4p minus 4. Okay. What is left here? 1 by 2 mod of 1 by 2 mod of. Observe the p square terms. Minus 2p square, 4p square. Minus plus. So we should subtract. 4p minus 2p is 2p square. Now observe the p terms. 3p minus 2p minus 4p. 3p minus 2p is p. p minus 4p is minus 3p. Now observe the constant terms. Plus 3 minus 1, that is plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1, that is minus 2. So now we have to keep the p value as 0. That is equal to 1 by 2, p value 0. So 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 minus 2. So 0 into anything is 0. So 1 by 2 into 0 minus 2. That is equal to 2 by 2. Why? Because mod is there, so negative value will become positive. 2 by 2 is 1. Okay. Okay, this is the previously solved expression. We need to simplify the expression further. Why? Because by simplifying only, we will substitute the values easier for calculation. Okay. For that reason, we are simplifying the expression further. Okay, p into 3 is 3p. P into 2p is 2p square. Plus 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 into 2p is 2. So what is this? It is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. What is the formula for a minus b and a plus b? A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. What is a value here? 2. 2p whole square minus 1. That is 4p square minus 1. That is 4p square minus 1. 4p square minus 1 minus 4p minus 4. Okay. Now 1 by 2 mod of minus 2p square plus 4p square. 2p square. So I am taking the only p square terms. Minus 2p square plus 4p square. 2p square 3p minus 2. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 4 minus 2. Means I am choosing the p terms. First p square term, next p term, next constant. 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2. So if we draw lines like that, for firstly for p square, next for p and next for the constant term, then you can easily identify all the terms are completed or not, or whether any term is left. Okay. So this is the expression we got. Now we are going to substitute p is equal to 1 in this expression. That is 1 by 2 into 2 into 1 whole square minus 3 into 1 minus 2. Then 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 minus 2. 1 square is nothing but 1 only. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 3 into 1, 3. Minus 2. 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3, how much? Minus 1. Minus 2. How we can say? If 1 plus and 1 minus, we should do the subtraction. And also 2 minus 3, we should do the subtraction 1 and the greater number sign. Okay. So two same signs. So what we should do? We should do addition and we should keep the positive sign. That is the answer is 3 by 2. So for this expression only, so let's solve for p is equal to minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 of minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay, when the power is even, so 2 is even power, then the negative power will become positive. So minus 1 whole power n. When n is 1, when n is even. If n is even. Okay, if n is even, it is 1. If n is odd, it is minus. So 2 into minus 1 whole square is 2. Minus into minus plus minus 2. That is 1 by 2 into 2 plus much 5. 5 minus 2, 3. That is 3 by 2. So for p is equal to 1 and p is equal to minus 1, we got 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, understood? For the same expression, we are doing for p is equal to 3. Okay. So 1 by 2 in the place of p, I am just keeping 3 value. Minus 3 minus 2. So 1 by 2 into 3 square is 9. 3 3 is 9 minus 2. 1 by 2 into 2 nines are 18. 18 minus 10 minus 11. 18 minus 11 how much? Minus. So 1 by 2 into 2 nines are 18 minus 11. So 18 minus 11 is 7. That is 7 by 2 is the answer. Okay. For this sum, we are doing the table. E is equal to minus 3. 1 by 2 into, so I am keeping minus for this expression also. 2 into minus 3 whole square. In the place of p, just I am keeping the minus 3 value. 1 by 2 into minus 3 whole square and how much? 9. Minus into minus plus minus 2. So 1 by 2 mod of 2 nines are 18. 3 minus 2 is 1. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 into 2 square how much? 3 square is 9. So 2 into 9. Minus into minus plus. 3 3 is 9. Minus 2. 1 by 2 into 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 9 minus 2 is 7. So 18 plus 7 is nothing but 25 by 2. So for p is equal to 3 we got 7 by 2. And for p is equal to minus 3 we got 25 by 2. Got it? Understood? If you like my explanation on my content, please like, share and subscribe. If you hit the like button, then this content will share to more students and more viewers. It will help me and to the students and viewers. Thank you.